Alrighty, welcome back to another first impression and unboxing video. This time it's the Tommy Hilfiger Impact. I think it's the perfume, I'm not sure. I got this gift box for a very cheap price. Oh, it's the EDT. Huh. Oh my god, it was supposed to be the intense version. Anyway, doesn't matter. It's the, okay, then we'll it's the Tommy Hilfiger Impact EDT then. Pretty sure I ordered the intense one, but they gave me the EDT. So it's a gift box set, of course, with the hair and body wash on this side, and then the Tommy Hilfiger on this side. And then, yeah, of course, yeah, this is the box, and then you got the probably some batch code or something like that, and some info behind. And then you got this one, scan to unlock more. Yeah, everything's nice looking, but this is the only thing that actually interests me. So okay, I need to relook at the order, but I'm pretty sure I ordered the intense one, and this is not the intense one. This is the regular one, A40. Okay, well, anyways, then you can probably hear the disappointment in my voice, but yeah, I'll give this one a try. It's supposed to be good, this one as well. So yeah, let me give this one a sniff. So yeah, very fresh, kind of citrusy a little bit, but not much, but very nice smelling, very like a shower with some freshness. I don't know how to explain it really. Clean and fresh, that's what I can say. And it smells good. It's very nice. It smells a little bit like the Legend Spirit. You know, it's not woody. It's not like those other fresh that are sweet. This one is more like citrus, fresh for me at least. Maybe a little bit more like watery. Yeah. So I'll let this one dry down, and I'll give this one a couple of tries. But it smells a little bit like when I say a little bit, I mean like the DNA of the Legend Spirit, you know, that in that direction, Legend Spirit, and I have a couple of others, but I just cannot. Yeah, I just don't remember which one, but it's like Lacoste Blanc, you know, the one 1212 L1212, yeah, so something like that. So it's not bad at all. It's fresh, but I wanted the Impact or the intense version and for the perfume, but yeah, I got this one instead. So I'll so far it's good. Not for the price that I paid, it's okay. So I think it is the 50 ml if I'm not mistaken either. So yeah, it's the 50 ml. So yeah, I'll give this one a couple of wears, and then I'll get back to you as soon as with the final review in a couple of weeks maybe. So until next time, take care.